As part of our Waterfall Chasing Project, we visited the beautiful Adom Waterfall in Ghana's eastern region, another hidden natural gem discovered by MIKAA Travels. The Adom Waterfall has both upper and the lower falls. Here, visitors can enjoy hiking, swimming in the refreshing pool, picnicking in the lush environment, photography, and bird watching. So fellas, join MIKAA Travels. Let's explore together.